Hi, and welcome back to my orchid life, and welcome to a cup of coffee in the afternoon. I don't know how many of you guys drink coffee all day like I do, but leave it in the comments down below and let me know how you drink your coffee. I like mine with cream and lots of sugar, and this is actually one of my favorite cups. My daughter bought it for me. It says coffee is a girl's best friend, and this is definitely my best friend. As you can see, let me get a sip here. As you can see, we have another box, and it is from, do I have it right side up? Nope, I have it upside down. It's another order from Jewell Orchids, the company out of Georgia that I recently ordered my Jane Austen from, and I have a bonus. I thought it was just this. I had already taken this out and something kept moving, and I have a bonus. Shall we open the bonus first? No, it's a bonus. Let's open it last. All right, so I have already taken all the tape and everything off of the outside. And as before, we have lots and lots of confetti. Yay. Got this one. And I'm going to take them all out and then we will look at them. I don't remember what I got. I just know I saw some pretty blooms must have. And these are all seedlings. And they all look really healthy just at first glance. Let's just move that out of the way. Let's start with the tiny one. So the tiny one is the RRM Aya Cornerstone crossed with Lovebird. Not sure what RRM is. I will post it when I post the names later during editing. Isn't that an interesting name? It looks like it might be in the Tolumnia or the Vandaceous family just because of the way the fans are doing, and it has kind of thin roots like a Tolumnia. Looks like it really needs some water. It's nice and dry. Oh, look at all the roots in there. Goodness. All right. We'll definitely be giving them a nice little welcome bath here shortly. And these are all 1 to 2 years off of blooming, so not a big deal. It'll be fun to watch them grow. This one here is the SLC Sun Circle. Looks like, well, not sure if it's going to be a bifoliate or a monofoliate because we have 2 leaves matured that are monofoliate, and then we have this growth that's a bifoliate. Either way it goes, it doesn't matter. It's got another one here that looks like it's a monofoliate. And it does have, let's see, did I see roots? Thought I saw, oh, I did. So we've got some new roots growing here. So I might be able to repot her sooner than the spring just because I don't really like the green moss. I know it's probably natural. I don't like it. And it's got a couple of ferns with it. But we'll have to wait and see. But each pseudobulb is getting a little bit bigger. Again, 2 to 3 years. And if I can get the pictures off their website and post them, I will. Otherwise, go check out their website, guys. I'll post it down here somewhere for you. They really have some great looking orchids and they're really good prices as well. Then this one is the Cattleya Sea Breeze. It says Felrathis Pride crossed with LC Love Knot SVO, and it is an awarded plant. It's got an HCC and an AOS award. So there's that. I know, that's the supervisor, Loki, agreeing. I guess he thinks this does deserve an award. However, look how cute are these pseudobulbs. Look how little fat and chunky they are. Look at those. Look at that. And then this one here. So it looks like her direction of growth is going to be this way. So this one here that's growing now will probably be the last one that'll be in this pot. So I'll have to wait until this one starts producing some roots and then go ahead and repot her. But look at the roots that she has already. Just like the last time, all 3 of these plants are nice and healthy. They're well packaged. It came on time. They even sent me an email letting me know the date they were shipping them. Just their customer service is amazing. And now let's open our freebie. I don't know where that voice came from. Sorry. All right, let's see what we have. I will let you guys know, though, they did say that they are behind in their shipping. So if you do order from them, do expect a little bit of a delay, but it's well worth it. So, oh, I have a seedling, Dick Smith Paradise. So this could possibly be in a giveaway one day once I am at a point where I have enough subscribers and they want things, because I have a Dick Smith Paradise already that is blooming size. But you know what? Isn't that the cutest? So it'll be fun to watch this one's progression as well and see how it grows from a baby and up to the adult. Let me just see if I can pull you guys up. If you look right, let's see if I can get my hand in the right place. Right there, where is it? Right there. See the one right there? It's like the third from that way. That is the Dick Smith Paradise. All right, well, I will be giving all of these lovelies their welcome bath, which is a mixture of CalMag and seaweed at around 160 ppm. I will let them soak for a couple of hours, and then I will just let them dry out, and then I will soak them every other day in just distilled water, and then in a week they'll get another welcome bath, just because I do the ppms kind of high. So if you guys have any idea on culture on these, and I will be doing my research. I probably should start doing research before I buy the orchids. That would probably be the smarter thing. So I'll be having to do that. I'll do that next growing season. I've already messed up for this year, so I'll start that next growing season. But if you have any care tips, or if you have this orchid or any of these and you would like to do a care collab, let me know in the comments down below, or you can just shoot me an email. It's in my description. Appreciate you coming by. I thank you for all of those who have subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed already, why not? Talk about orchids. You like orchids? I like orchids. Let's talk orchids together. All right, till the next one, guys.